Welcome to MENA MedTech Insights. Today we are diving into one of the most lucrative and complex markets in the region, Saudi Arabia. The kingdom's Vision 2030 is fueling massive growth in healthcare, making it a prime target for international medtech companies. But entry is strictly controlled by the Saudi Food and Drug Authority, or SFDA. Navigating the SFDA's requirements is a detailed process, but one rule stands above many in its strategic importance. This is the mandate for an in-country authorized representative. You cannot register your medical device or IVD product in Saudi Arabia without appointing a local entity to legally represent your company. This representative is your official communication link with the SFDA. They are responsible for your product's registration, and they are involved in critical post-market activities like reporting adverse events and managing recalls. Many companies make a seemingly convenient choice. They appoint their first local distributor as their authorized representative. Consider the case of a European diagnostics firm that did just that. They secured SFDA approval through their distributor, and sales began. However, after 2 years, the distributor failed to meet sales targets and had poor market reach. The European firm decided to switch to a new, more dynamic distribution partner, but they discovered their product registration, their legal license to sell, was controlled by the underperforming distributor. Terminating the commercial relationship meant losing their market access entirely. They were faced with either staying with a failing partner or starting the entire costly and time-consuming SFDA registration process from scratch with a new representative. They were effectively held hostage by their initial choice. This scenario highlights the critical need to separate your regulatory representation from your commercial strategy. The most strategic approach is to appoint an independent professional authorized representative. This is a neutral third party whose sole focus is regulatory compliance on your behalf. This model gives you complete control over your SFDA registration. It allows you to add, change, or remove distributors as your commercial strategy evolves, without ever putting your market authorization at risk. An independent representative ensures that your regulatory compliance is managed by experts, while you remain agile and free to build the best possible sales network. Entering the Saudi market is a major opportunity, but it requires foresight. Your choice of an in-country representative is not just an administrative step. It is a foundational business decision that will impact your long-term success and flexibility in the kingdom. For expert guidance on SFDA registration and independent representation in Saudi Arabia, you can email or visit Pure Global.